You can now run Hermes Agent completely for free using some of the best Chinese models that run in the cloud, so you don't even need a powerful PC. And in this video, I will show you exactly how to make this happen in just a few minutes, even if you're a complete beginner, with models like GLM 5.2, Kimi 2.6, MiniMax M3, and DeepSeek V4. Plus I will show you how to use this new setup to build projects, research your competitors, and find new leads for your business, all without ever hitting a rate limit. So close all of your other tabs and let's dive right into it. But before I show you how to set this up, I want to first talk about what is Hermes Agent and why would you want to use the best Chinese models with it. Now, for anyone that doesn't know, Hermes Agent is the fastest growing and most popular AI agent on the planet with over 200,000 stars on GitHub. And it is also completely free and open source. Now, the good thing with Hermes Agent is that it can take action on its own, like build, research, and complete complex tasks. Well, to use it, you need to have access to an AI model. Now, there are two ways you can access these AI models. The way that most people do it is they simply pay for API tokens from popular Western companies like Anthropic and OpenAI so they can use their models inside Hermes Agent. But the negative with this is that they have to pay for every token that the agent uses, which if you're running this agent constantly, it actually can get very expensive. But there is another way, which is by using the top Chinese models like GLM, DeepSeek, and MiniMax, which normally are significantly cheaper than the models from Anthropic and OpenAI. But the best part is that I found a way that you can access these top Chinese models completely for free, which means that you will be able to run your Hermes agent with some of the best Chinese models in the world and you will not have to pay anything. But now you might say, well, Damian, are these models actually any good? And to that I have to say a big yes, and most of them are actually on par with the top Anthropics and OpenAI models. Let's take GLM 5.2 for example. As we can see from these graphs, it scores very close to Anthropic and OpenAI on multiple of these benchmarks, and in some benchmarks it even surpasses them. And the same exact thing happens with another model like Kimi, where as you can see it ranks very close to the top AI models from Anthropic and OpenAI in multiple of these benchmarks. But now you might say, well, Damian, this kinda sounds too good to be true. How is this actually free? And the answer to that is simple, and it's because of a very small company that you might have heard of, which is called NVIDIA. Because what NVIDIA is doing is they have downloaded these Chinese open source models in their own servers, they run them in their own GPUs, and they give you access to them completely for free through their API. And all you have to do is to simply create an NVIDIA account in which you don't even have to put any credit card information. You create an API key and then you use that API key to make your Hermes agent use these powerful Chinese models through the NVIDIA API. And if you're wondering why they're doing this, it's basically to promote their own platform. And since they are a $1 trillion company, they have a lot of money to spend to do that. But now you might say, well, Damian, there definitely has to be a catch. What about rate limits? Will I keep getting rate limited when I try to use these models? And my answer to that is very rarely. And that is because NVIDIA gives you super generous rate limits, because NVIDIA is giving you 40 requests per hour with each one of their models, which means you can literally send 40 prompts to a model, and only when you send 41 is the time where that model is going to limit you. But don't worry, because later in this video I will show you a simple way to fully bypass these rate limits so you can keep using your agent non-stop even after you hit 40 requests. So now that you understand how this works, let me show you how to set it up inside your Hermes agent. So the first thing that you have to do is to obviously install Hermes Agent in your machine. Now to do that, simply go over to the official Hermes Agent website, which I will also leave a link for in the description below, and then you simply need to come over here, select your operating system, and then copy the installation command. Once you do that, simply open up a terminal inside an IDE. It can be VS Code, it can be anti-gravity or cursor. Now I'm personally using anti-gravity, and then simply paste in the command and click on enter. And what this is going to do is start installing Hermes Agent in your machine, which as you can see just finished doing, and now it is asking us to select a model provider. Now, as you can see here, we have multiple different options, but what you actually need to do is to simply come over here and make sure you select NVIDIA NIM, which is the way that we're going to be able to access the Chinese models that we want to use. So simply select this, and once we do, Hermes Agent is going to ask us for our NVIDIA API key. Now to get this API key, you simply need to go over to build.nvidia.com, which I will also leave a link for in the description below, and then you need to come over here to the right and create a completely free account. And once you do that, you will then be able to come over here to your profile, click on it, and then navigate over in the API keys section, where you will be able to generate your own API key. I'm going to call this Hermes, and I will click on generate, and this is going to give me my own NVIDIA API key, which I can then simply copy, come back over to Hermes Agent, paste it in, and click on enter. And then you can proceed with the normal onboarding of connecting third-party apps like Telegram and Discord if you actually want. Now, I personally chose to skip it, which spinned up Hermes Agent in my terminal, and now if I actually come over here and type in the /model command, I'm able to see that I now do have access to the NVIDIA NIM option, which if I actually click on, then I can see all the different models that NVIDIA is offering. And inside these models, we have GLM 5.2, Kimi K 2.6, MiniMax M3, and if I scroll down a bit more, we can also see DeepSeek V4 Flash and DeepSeek V4 Pro. So let me actually come over here and select MiniMax M3 for this example, and let's try to use it inside Hermes Agent completely for free by telling it to do some research to the competitors that my AI startup has. So to do that, I'll simply come over here and I'm going to say, hey, what I want you to do is to do some research on the competitors that my AI file organization app that is called FileLect has. So first of all, locate these competitors, figure out their websites, and then do some research on them, figure out how they're acquiring customers, what new features they have added in, and what is the plans for the future, and then return me a detailed brief so I can actually read it and have a good idea about what my competitors are already doing. And now that I described that, I will simply send over this prompt. So MiniMax M3 can do this research for me. And if you're wondering, my AI startup is called FileLect, which is an app that automatically organizes your files with AI. And if you want to check it out, I'm going to leave a link for it in the description below. And as you can see, MiniMax has already started working and it is now planning out on exactly how it is going to go and do this research for us. So now what I'm going to do is I will simply just let this run in the background and I will be back with you once it is fully finished. And boom, our Hermes Agent just finished running, and over here it returns us a brief of everything that it found about our competitors. It starts with listing out one of our competitors and it gives us a lot of information about them, like how they acquire customers, the recent features that they added, how big of a threat they are to my app, the strategic lesson that I can learn from that competitor. And it does that with multiple of my competitors, like generic file managers and App Store file utilities, and a lot more, which it compiled in this very nice and easy to read brief that I can then take a look at, see exactly what my competitors are doing and where I can improve so I can actually beat them. And that also means that we managed to use MiniMax M3 100% free inside our Hermes Agent through the NVIDIA API. And the good thing with this setup is that this also works inside the Hermes desktop app, which is the way that most people actually use Hermes, since you can very easily manage all of your previous sessions, your skills and tools, and also all of your cron jobs. Now to download the Hermes desktop app, you simply go over to the official Hermes Agent website, and then you simply click on the install button. And once you install it and you open it up, this will bring you over in this interface over here. To then access these Chinese models through the NVIDIA API, all you have to do is to simply come over here to the settings tab, and then you need to simply come over here, and from the model selector, make sure you select NVIDIA, and then the second drop down menu will appear where you will be able to come over here and select any of the free AI models that NVIDIA is offering. I'm going to choose to go with DeepSeek V4 Pro, and I will click on apply. And this is going to make my Hermes Agent use the DeepSeek V4 Pro model from my NVIDIA API. So now, just to see that this actually works, if I come over here and say hello, I'm going to get a response back saying hello, how can I help you today, which means that this is working correctly. And now just to use it as I would normally do in an everyday scenario, I will simply come over here and say, hey, what I want you to do is to find me some leads for my business through the web, and then use the Gmail tool that you have access to and go and email them letting them know of my AI and automation offer. And I'm going to click on enter so DeepSeek V4 can find me some qualified leads for my offer, and then you can use the Gmail tool that I have already given it access to and email these people promoting my offer. And now, as you can see, that's exactly what DeepSeek V4 is doing. It is first searching the web to find some qualified leads, and then once it finds them, it will draft the email copy and automatically send it to promote my AI and automation offer. And boom, Hermes Agent just finished running and found some leads that are likely to be interested in our offer. It created the email draft for each one of these emails, and after it did that, it automatically went over and emailed these people, letting them know of our offer. Which means that we can use these Chinese models completely for free inside the Hermes desktop app as well. Now, if you want to stop manually organizing your files and folders and you want to let AI do that for you, make sure you check out fileegg.io. It will be the second link in the description. And if you want more help with setting this up, along with building and launching your own AI business, just like as I did with my app FileEgged, then make sure you click the top link in my description and you come and check out my school community, where I have already helped multiple people just like you build and grow their own AI business. And I did that through all the content that I have inside my classroom and through the dedicated one-to-one access to me that every community member gets. So if you would be interested in that, make sure you click the top link in my description and you come and check out my school community. But also YouTube things that you're going to enjoy this video, in which I show you how you can use Hermes Agent completely for free using AI models that run locally in your machine. So make sure you go and watch that next, and I will see you over there.